how you can create your NGL link and put it in your Instagram or Facebook. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your NGL app. If you do not have it already, make sure you download it from the Play Store or App Store. Now, since this was pretty previously signed in, I already have linked to various types of sublinks, which is like sending anonymous messages, confessions, describing someone in 3 words, or friendship, or just, some cool riz, like sending a pickup line and being honest, shipping it with someone about your crush is cancelled, and whatnot. It has tons of it. And in the inbox section, you can see various kinds of confessions that are written through the link. Now, you need to make sure what kind of link do you want. Mostly, people post the very first thing which is there, which is send me anonymous messages. You need to simply copy this link. This link has been copied. And then you need to go to your respective social media, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, and then upload it where necessary, whether you want to upload it as a post, whether you want to upload the link as a post, or whether you want the link to be visible only for 24 hours and you're going to put it in the story. It's all up to you. You can customize the link. You can provide the availability of the link according to your needs and wants. So this is how you can create the NGL link and share it in your social media's account. Now this is just not limited to Facebook and Instagram, but it can also be shared with your friends and families on Snapchat, on WhatsApp, on Messenger, on Twitter, or on whatever app. It's just a link. You can copy it and then paste it anywhere. So I hope you guys found this video useful. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave some comments in the comment sections down below, and make sure to subscribe to our channel. And stay tuned for more updates.